Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2025 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Absolutely beautiful boat here with the gray gel coat. This does come with a galvanized trailer shown, and then also the bimini top and boot. Up here in the bow, you have your filler cushion and then also a spot below for your anchor. This is a center console, so you have a walkthrough on both starboard and port side, and then the low profile railing, both forward and aft. At the helm, storage underneath. And then we have our on and off switch for your battery. JL audio, all Bluetooth, and then our standard tacks and gauges. And at the helm itself, our seat here that is forward facing, and then you can also adjust it to be aft facing. Mercury 60 horsepower, 4-stroke here with our stairway that gets you in and out of the boat. Great boat to rip around on the lakes here in Minnesota, and you can also get super shallow with these. Fun boat for fishing and being out with your friends and family. Again, this is a 2025 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. It's located here at our store in Rogers. If you'd like more information for this boat or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.